Greetings from Lappis Beach. This sandy beach out on the Baltic Sea, located very close to the university campus that's located here in Norra Djurgårdsstaden at Stora Lappsberget. The beautiful nature. It is 17th of July 2024 and it is time for beach day number 96 on my Sweden beach adventures. So we have a calm day but with mostly clouds in the sky and 21 degrees Celsius in the air currently, and I already measured the water. It is 18 degrees Celsius in the sea. And this is not actually open sea, it's a bit more of a closed surface here, but it's part of the Baltic Sea. And I am all alone on the beach, as you can see. I guess that's because of the weather. But all the times I was here, it is not much crowded, despite having so many students living just 200 meters away in that direction in many of the campus buildings. So yes, the beach adventures continue, and it is my first time at this beach this year. It's been a while since I've been here, but I do remember that this was one of the first beaches I visited during my first years in Sweden on the sea. So yeah, let's see if we're gonna get some sun later today, but for now it looks quite steady with the clouds. Here we have some duck visitors as well. And yeah, there is green forests all around this beach. And to get here, you need to take the bus number 50 that starts from Odenplan, and the bus ride to the last station, Lektorstigen, is 20 minutes. So quite easy to get to this beach. Probably one of the closest beaches on the sea in Stockholm. And it looks amazing. Here the bottom is sandy, like on the beach. And we can see some islands on the other side that are inhabited actually, and that are connected with some boats, ferry boats that navigate to them. And yes, not so far away from here is also Ropsten, that connects with Lidingö, another island here, major island in Stockholm. Cool, then happy Wednesday from the sea, from Lappis, as they call it, this beach, Lappis Beach, the same name as the campus, as they call it. And the name comes from the nature reserve Stora Lappsberget, and short name Lappis. So let's then embrace and take a swim on this day. So let's go together. Quite refreshing and nice indeed. So beautiful. So beautiful indeed. All right, let's dive in once again because it's so beautiful. Oh, it gets deep very, very fast indeed. Okay, this is my height right now as I'm standing with flat feet. So check out the beach from this angle before I wrap up for this episode. Amazing. So if you're looking for a beach on the sea that's very close to the central Stockholm, this is the one with frequent departures on the bus 50, but you can obviously come here by bicycle and even by the electric scooters way, or the other companies that run those. So cool, that's a wrap from Lappis Beach on this 17th of July. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!